Hello and welcome to our channel. Welcome to our video. Feel free to leave comments down below. The switch for the exhaust fan of the bathroom is out of the reach of some of the family members. I installed this remote wall-mounted switch to resolve this problem. There will be a link in my description for this device that I found on Amazon. You only need a few items to install this. Included in the box with the installed device is a wall-mounted, adhesive-backed wall switch and a key fob, both of which came pre-programmed. There's also instructions for pairing device and wiring diagram. You'll also need a voltmeter to check the positive and neutral side wires, a knife, roll of electric tape, some lever nuts, a wire cutter stripper, and a screwdriver. These are the items that come in the box: the adhesive backed wall mount switch, the key fob, and the actual installed device. Removing the fan shroud is rather straightforward. Generally there's 4 screws to be removed. Because the ceiling is angled, the fan shroud will not be square in all directions. I labeled the fan shroud front and curb side to aid in its reinstallation. Next, you'll want to get the wires from the ceiling area that feed the fan. They're generally tucked right into that ceiling. Isolate the wires, figure out which ones lead to the fan, cut the wires, in this case was the black and white wire, and strip the ends. While holding the installed portion of this in your hand, you'll see it is labeled in and out, along with annotation as to which side is positive and which side is negative. The input will come from the camper side, and the output is what leads towards the fan. After identifying the correct polarity markings on the switch, you can attach the lever nuts to the ends of these wires. I use lever nuts over your traditional wire nuts or crimp connectors due to ease of use. After you have determined which wire leading towards the fan is positive and which one is neutral, connect the corresponding wires to the device. The wires coming from the camper will go into the inside of the device, and the output side are the wires that lead towards the fan. Make sure that you connect the plus and minus sides correctly. After all wires are connected and you have tested the installation, wrap the lever connectors with black tape so that through vibration, movement, they will not come unclipped and cause a loose wire. I wiped the wall where I chose to install the switch with alcohol. I peeled the back of the adhesive from the switch and place it against the wall. Gently tuck the wires and the device into the ceiling, reattach the shroud, and you are ready to perform the final test. If you found this video educational, entertaining, or even boring, please leave a comment down below. Please don't hesitate to subscribe, and please don't hesitate to click on my affiliate links in the description. Thank you.